In this video, I'll give you a brief overview of how to work with the Industrial Maintenance Manager in Xenon. The Industrial Maintenance Manager allows you to store information about devices and their service and maintenance intervals. Based on this information, it will tell you when maintenance works are due. Devices and their maintenance intervals can only be defined in the service engine, not in the engineering studio. This information will be stored in an external SQL database. The database connection needs to be configured in the engineering studio. To get started, select the project in the project tree and navigate to Industrial Maintenance Manager in the Properties window. Here, select Database to open the configuration dialog for the database connection. For this example, we have already configured a database. The tables will be created by Xenon. Once you have configured the database connection, you can create a screen, which can later be used to enter information about your devices. Select Industrial Maintenance Manager as screen type and insert a template. Finally, we also need a screen switch function to open the screen. Leave all the settings at default and confirm the configuration dialog. Link the function to a button in your menu, save and compile your project, and start the service engine. On the left side, there is a tree with the equipment model, history, and maintenance works. Under Equipment Model, you can enter all the data. Devices can be linked to the equipment model to represent the topological structure of your facility. Under History, you can find a list of all the already executed maintenance works with a time filter. If required, this list can be printed. Finally, under Maintenance, you find a time-filtered list of all the maintenance tasks that need to be done. So let's create a new device, for example, a conveyor. Click on the new device to open the configuration dialog. Here you can enter some metadata to identify the device. Under the second tab, you can configure maintenance works. Let's create a new one, for example, Test Emergency Stop. This should be executed once a week, so I configure 7 days as an interval. I set the warning level to 6 days, so I will be informed 1 day in advance. Once we confirm that and have a look at the maintenance works, we'll see that this is now scheduled. Once it is due, the operator can click the Execute Maintenance button, add a comment, and confirm the dialog. The executed maintenance work will then appear in the history. More information on this topic can be found in the Xenon help under Service Engine and Engineering Studio, Industrial Maintenance Manager. Thanks for watching.